Bakit mo kinuha ang mga gamit ko?
Why did you take my things?
Sigurado ka ba?
Are you sure?
Hindi na mahalaga kung ano ang sasabihin niya.
It doesn't matter anymore what he says.
Alam ko lahat ang ginawa niya.
I know everything he did.
Ano ang nangyari sa kanya?
What happened to him?
Alam mo ba kung ano ang nangyayari?
Do you know what happened?
Bakit hindi mo sinabi kanina?
Why didn't you say it earlier?
Hindi pa ako handa.
I'm not ready yet.
Bakit ka kinakabahan?
Why are you nervous?
Bakit ka umalis?
Why did you leave?
Bakit ka huminto?
Why did you stop?
Bakit ka malungkot?
Why are you sad?
Bakit ka nandito?
Why are you here?
Bakit ka naghihintay?
Why are you waiting?
Bakit mo nakalimutan?
Why did you forget?
Bakit ka tumigil sa pagsasalita?
Why did you stop talking?
Bakit ka umalis kahapon?
Why did you leave yesterday?
Bakit ka nagtatago?
Why are you hiding?
Ano ang iniinom mo?
What are you drinking?
Ano ang kinakain mo?
What are you eating?
Ano sa palagay mo?
What do you think?
Ano ang gusto mong bilhin?
What do you want to buy?
Ano ang gagawin mo ngayon?
What will you do now?
Ang gagawin?
What to do?
Anong sabi niya?
What did he say?
Anong gagawin mo?
What will you do?
Ano ang magagawa ko?
What can I do?
Ano yan?
What's that?
Hinahanap ka niya.
He is looking for you.
Hihintayin na lang kita.
I'll just wait for you.
Hihintayin mo ba ako?
Will you wait for me?
Huwag kang lumabas.
Don't go out.
Hindi ka marunong.
You don't know how.
Bakit ito?
Why this?
Bakit ngayon?
Why now?
Bakit kami?
Why us?
Bakit mo ginawa yon?
Why did you do that?
Bakit buong araw?
Why all day?
Ihahatid kita sa bahay niyo.
I'll take you home.
Ilan ang kailangan mo?
How many do you need?
Ikaw ang bahala.
It's up to you.
Ikaw na naman?
You again.
Ipapakita ko sa'yo.
I'll show you.
Hindi pa ako handa.
I'm not ready yet.
Hindi yan sa'yo.
That's not yours.
Hindi ko sasabihin.
I won't tell.
Hindi maaari.
It can't be.
Hindi mo masabi.
You can't tell.
Papunta na ako.
I'm on my way.
Paano mo ako nakilala?
How do you know me?
Papalitan mo ba ito?
Are you going to change this?
Ano ang nalaman mo?
What did you find out?
Ano ang kailangan mo?
What do you need?
Ano ang maitutulong ko sa'yo?
What can I do for you?
Anong petsa ngayon?
What's the date today?
Anong almusal?
What's for breakfast?
Minsan gusto kong mapag-isa.
Sometimes I want to be alone.
Maliban na lang,
Except
makakalimutan mo rin yan balang araw.
you will forget it someday.
Matuto kang humindi minsan.
Learn to say no sometimes.
May ginagawa ako.
I am doing something.
Maunawaan mo sana ako.
Hope you understand me.
Makakapaghintay iyan.
That can wait.
Masaya ka ba?
Are you happy?
May alam ka.
You know something.
Marami akong gagawin ngayon.
I have a lot to do today.
Magkita tayo ng umaga.
I'll see you in the morning.
Maghanda na tayo.
Let's get ready.
Iyon na yon?
Is that it?
Sa'yo ba yon?
Is this yours?
Totoo ba iyon?
Is that true?
Nakita ko iyon.
I saw that.
Di ko alam yon.
I don't know that.
Ano yon?
What is that?
Akin yan.
That is mine.
Tama yan.
That is right.
Ayos lang yon.
That is fine.
Anong ingay yon?
What's that noise?
Ang sama naman yan.
That's too bad.
Tingnan ko nga yan.
Let me see that.
Hindi yan sa akin.
That is not mine.
Bahay niyo ba yon?
Is that your house?
Bakit hindi mo sinabi?
Why didn't you tell me?
Palagi ko yan sinasabi sa kanya.
I keep telling that to her.